Another great way to determine whether or not students are understanding the concepts related to the magnetic field exploration is to have them actually annotate or mark up the photos that they're using or that they have created through the process of the experiment. So there's a lot of tools. I'm going to show you Marquee, which is a web-based tool. However, if you have iPads at your disposal, your students can use EduCreations. They could use Sketch, which is actually a product of the same company that makes Evernote. And Sketch is available on both Android and the iOS. But again, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a collection in here called the MMS project. And what this collection is going to allow me to do is very easily add the images from the MMS project collection. So your students could use this for varying experiments. They don't have to just use it for this one area. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the magnetic field image. Now, when I get out or I go to my home page, what's nice about this is as long as I'm logged in, you notice that I can see my collection and all of the images that are inside of here. So I don't have to have just one image inside. So I could rename this. If I clicked on edit, it would allow me to change the name from the file name to whatever it is I'd want to make that. So that's important to know. But I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the image. Now, what you'll see here are a couple of different things. If I just simply click and drag, what you'll notice is I can add a comment. Okay, so I'll just say this is the north. Oh, this is the North Pole. Okay, I know, very scientific. But now, if I go ahead and close up that comment, anybody that I share this link to or I share out where this is available, when they roll over, you notice it says click, they can see my annotation, my comment, as well as add a comment. And when they add their comment back, so as a teacher, you might be the one to add your comment, it will email a notification back. So you can add your own corrections, you can add your own comments back to them. Now, another nice feature of this tool, Marquee, allows me to also draw. So you notice I have my diagram here on my pen, so I might have my students actually mark up or draw an arrow, okay, representing what it is, and then they will say this is the South Pole. Again, very scientific. So now when I click submit, once again, okay, I see both of these. All right, I can go back to my selection tool, and now again as a teacher, if I have the link, I can respond to this. And up here at the top, you can see your students can send you the links either in an email or post them to a wiki or a blog or wherever it is that you would direct them to actually post that information. So it's a nice way to be able to take an image and be able to mark it up. Naturally, you could do the same type of thing in Word, you could do it in PowerPoint, but the collaborative element of this is really what we're looking at by allowing the students to go back and forth either with one another, so we could see that listing or that chain of comments, but also being able to go back and forth with the teacher is a powerful way to enhance the conversation about the experiment and their understanding of it through picture annotation.